Hello everyone and welcome back to Goettl Homeowner Tips. I'm Henry Rodriguez and today we're driving into an incredible topic that's revolutionizing the world of plumbing, the no-dig sewer solution. It's an exciting advancement that's changing the game for homeowners everywhere. Let's get started. We've all heard the horror stories of the messy and costly digging needed to repair pipes. But guess what? There's a new solution that's saving yards and turning this process on its head. Introducing Trenchless pipe repair, a modern approach that saves you time, money, and headaches. With the help of advanced pipe inspection cameras, we can pinpoint the exact location and extent of the issue without any digging. You can see how the camera technology works. It's like having a doctor for your pipes. Once we identify the problem, our expert technicians can recommend the best solutions for your specific situation. Whether it's pipe relining or pipe bursting, Trenchless technology allows us to repair or replace the damaged section without extensive digging. It's clear why homeowners are excited about this innovative approach. Now let's talk about something near and dear to every homeowner's heart: your landscape yards. Trenchless pipe repair minimizes disruption to your yard, preserving your landscaping and curb appeal. You won't believe how seamless and non-intrusive trenchless repair can be. And one of the biggest advantages of trenchless repair is the speed of the process. In many cases, we can complete the entire repair in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods. And here's the icing on the cake: the results. Trenchless technology delivers lasting results, ensuring your pipes are in top shape for years to come. It's a smart investment that pays off over time. So there you have it, the modern solution for pipe problems: trenchless pipe repair. Say goodbye to digging, disruptions, and excessive costs. So thanks for joining us today. And remember, when it comes to pipe issues, Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing has you covered. Until next time, keep enjoying your home without worries.